Hello there! Are you facing the issue of your keyboard typing multiple letters in Windows 10? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to fix this problem and get your keyboard working smoothly again. Let's begin with Solution 1, running the Windows 10 Keyboard Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or you can simply press Win+I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, go to Update and Security and then click on Troubleshoot. Scroll down and look for additional troubleshooters. Click on it. From the list of troubleshooters, find and select Keyboard. Then click on Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the instructions provided by the troubleshooter to detect and resolve any issues with your keyboard. Now, let's move on to Solution 2, running the Windows Security tool. Open Settings again and navigate to Update and Security. In the left pane, choose Windows Security. Then click on Open Windows Security and select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on the Quick Scan button. Windows 10 will scan and remove any harmful files it detects. After the scan is complete, test your keyboard to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, let's try Solution 3, updating the keyboard driver. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the keyboard menu. Right-click on the keyboard driver and choose Update Driver. In the pop-up window, click on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver update process. Now test your keyboard again to check if the multiple letter typing issue has been resolved. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can fix the problem of your keyboard typing multiple letters in Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy typing!